Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I told, I'll be making further videos for solving the second and third layer. Here I come. So second layer, the way to solve the second layer is to get all these edge pieces in the correct places. So I prefer inverting the cube as it's easier for me. You can do it anyway, but the formulas would differ. So I personally recommend you to hold the cube like this in such a way that the first layer you solve is facing towards the bottom. So it's very easy to do. So let's take a piece which doesn't have yellow. The ones which have yellow belong on the top layer, so we're not supposed to do that. So what we need to do is, you see this blue and orange piece, so align the blue with blue, and be careful it shouldn't have yellow on any of them because the pieces with yellow belong on the top layer. Then you can see orange and blue, it's supposed to come here, so it has to come here so move it in the opposite side. Remember, it has to come here, so you're moving it the opposite way. If you're moving it the opposite way, then get it up and then bring it back. You can see I moved it the opposite way, then I got it up and I brought it back in that place, and then I'm sending the white down. Don't worry that a piece is missing, we'll get it back soon. So we put it down. You can see it is aligned with this. So the only thing you need to do is, as you do this, it's impossible to place this piece here, so just move it away, bring it back and put it in. I'll be linking this formula in terms of those basic things what I told in the starting in the description. And the next one, let's see how. Now let's put all the pieces in the same manner. It might differ for some. See, this one needs to come on the right, the previous one was on the left, but the same thing in the opposite way. It needs to come here, so move it the opposite way and get this up, and you can see we are getting it back, and you're putting the white back in its place. You can see it's aligned. So then this needs to come here. You have to move it once and get the front and place the piece back. And you can see we are actually solving the second layer. Only two pieces are left. So then let's go to the other one, green and red. So you can see supposed to put it here. Then we are supposed to get this piece here, so move it the opposite way, get this up, then put it back, align the white with white, and then move it away, and then get it up and replace it back and put it down. We are one step away. This is one of the cases. It's actually quite easy. The only thing you need to do, it's inverted in its place. So first get some random place in place of that. So see, you're supposed to get this here, move it opposite way, get it up, move it, and then get it down. And you can see we have successfully replaced a piece with some other random piece. So now we should be having this piece what we replaced on the top layer. Can you see? We have this piece here. Then we're supposed to get this piece again back here. Follow the same opposite way. It needs to come here, so we're moving it opposite way. We're getting it up, and we are aligning the red to red. See, the red was here. We're aligning red to red, and we are getting it down. So we are aligning white to white. Now again we are moving it one away so that it's easier for us to put this piece back here. So get it up, replace it and put it. You can see now we successfully solved the second layer. You might have couple of other cases that the pieces are interchanged. Let me show you in a second. Please comment, like, share and subscribe if you like the videos. And if you want more videos, please do comment on what cubes do you need. So this is one of the cases. Can you see the pieces are basically interchanged? This piece needs to come here and this piece needs to come here. You can see the first thing you need to do, get a random piece in its place. Random piece in the sense any piece you can get. So just use that formula randomly, and that will get exchanged. Actually, this is known as muscle memory. You don't need to buy hard formulas. If you practice it a couple of times, it'll get stored in your brain, so you don't need to keep rewinding the video for seeing how to do it. So then you can see it's red and blue. The red and blue. So align the red to red. It needs to come here, so move it the opposite way. It needs to come here, we are moving it the opposite way. We are getting it up, and we are aligning red to red. We are aligning white to white. We move it one away, take the front and put it back in its place and get it down. So now you see, and we try to get the second piece. You can see this one, blue and orange. So align blue to blue. It needs to come here, we're moving it the opposite way. Get it up. Then like we are aligning blue to blue, white to white. Then move it away, get it up and replace the piece. Now second layer is completely solved. You might have a couple of other cases which are similar to this. The only thing you need to do is basically exchanging the piece with a random piece and getting it. And make sure you're aligning all the pieces and the pieces don't have yellow in it. If they have yellow, you won't be able to solve the top layer, and you'll get some random cases which you won't be able to solve. So thank you